All right, today I'm going to show you how to remove the fuel out of this because it has some old fuel that's been sitting in there for a year. Got something to put it into. I just got a this sized tube that I used from the last one. That's the only connection that I've not reconnected is the fuel line here. So after I'm done with this, I will reconnect the fuel line, but the fuel is going to come out of here. We're going to use P-Wiz to dump it out. I've been charging the battery for a couple days ever since we started putting the engine in, and I'm gonna reconnect it for the first time. Radio came on immediately with some pit bull. That's a good sign. All right, P-Wiz hooked up. No idea how much fuel I have in this thing. Got some things clicking around back there for the first time. Turn the air off. Says I have like half a tank. All right, well, we'll see about that. All right, gonna come over to my 987. Fire him up. All right, I'm going to my DME and then going next. No val. It's gonna warn me about a battery. Yes, so I have to hit next. I always have to hit it twice here for some reason. So don't get stuck on that. All right, searched for my DME, found my DME. We're gonna go to the Drive Links tab up here on the top and give it a second. Click on Drive Links again, go to next, and it should come up with a little drop down for us. It does. We are gonna go down to Fuel Pump Relay. And as soon as you hit start, it's going to start your fuel pump. So let's see what happens. All right, I hear it. Oh God, stop, stop. Holy balls. Okay, well, that's a lot of fuel. All right, I thought that thing was on there really tight. Apparently it was not and got pushed off. So we're gonna zip tie it on this time. All right, after hitting start, it is pumping this stuff very nicely into our container for us. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on this, and as soon as I hear it not pumping, or if it fills this thing up, of course, we're gonna stop it. All right, just hit stop. You could hear the pump sound a little bit different, and we have a bunch of old fuel out of here. So hopefully that was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. I'll come back next time. We'll make sure we put 5 gallons of fresh fuel in here before the startup and add some more fluids.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value in the information shared, please take a moment to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback not only encourages us, but also helps others discover content that can make a difference. Remember, every like and comment counts in building a community where we can all learn and grow together. Looking forward to seeing you soon.